guys, get ready with me for school. So a lot of people were asking if I'm in like school. So I do half and half. I do 2 electives and lunch, and then I do the rest of my subject online for homeschool. It's kind of confusing, but like that's where I am able to be right now with my health. It's gotten a lot better, and I've been able to go to school and do a lot more things. I just started breaking out. I'm not okay. So I have to be there at 11:08 today. I'm gonna have to rush. I have not made like a get ready with me or talking video for a while. I'm very apologetic. I will be getting back into those. So give me some like video ideas, content ideas you guys want to see. I already did my lashes, and then I kind of was like, oh, I should start making a get ready with me. I forgot what I was gonna say. I just took the time. It's like 10:15. So I guess I'm doing good on time. I definitely have blush blindness, but that's okay. I miss making get ready with me. I haven't made one for a long time. Don't mind my voice. I'm like kind of getting over something, and I lost my voice for like 3 days. That was bad. And also thank you guys so much. We are almost at 50K. Like that is just so crazy to say. I love you guys so much, and I have some really exciting things coming up. I'm not gonna say what it is yet, but I'm just super excited. Also guys, this might be like my new get ready with me filming area. I need to figure out what I want to do with my hair. I'll be back. I'm back. I just put it in a slick back. That's it. Bye. Love you guys.